Alright boys, nice little goal for today's video is a nice time in Green Hill Zone. I have 28 seconds right now, I want to beat that. But jumping at the loop here is actually quite helpful. And then jumping like there, but actually timing it right is also helpful. What's first time? I'm gonna see if I can optimize it any more. So 22, right there. So, I'm actually quite good at this in Mania. Like, I have all my timings consistent in the Mania version of Green Hill because that's all I play. Okay, so it's like there, that's the timing. Run loss. I missed the item monitor, I need to bonk off of it. Is there a quick restart button? Okay, yeah. Okay, we're gonna get this. This is gonna take a very long time, but anyways, how are you? It's literally, this is like the home stretch, by the way. It's definitely possible to get sub 22, it's just harder for me, because I don't play Sonic much. Alright, I gotta get my fingers ready to mash. Alright. So, as per usual in the video, I gotta tell you guys to like and subscribe. You guys can suggest content in the comments. Sub 22... I still think I can do better. 20 minutes like the Generations and Colors videos, I kinda just compress those into funnier formats than they were, because I kinda drag my conversations out really long. And TBH, I don't really like that. It's not very fun for the viewers. We did it, boys. By 0.6 seconds. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.